Manganese contact operations are gravel, mining, welding, production of dry batteries, dye industry, etc. Manganese powder ball press, reliable quality, can be used in one machine, strong pressure, suitable for large, medium and small enterprises, with a certain scale of production line use, suitable for industrial gas, boiler type, cold pressure type focus, etc. After years of industrial use and improvement, compared with other similar products, manganese powder ball pressing machine has high ball rate and low power consumption. The structure is compact and easy to repair and debug. Manganese powder ball press is used to press a variety of manganese powder, silica powder, silica ore, silica manganese ore, oxide iron, steel slag, resistant materials, and other equipment. All powder to burn the material need manganese powder ball press.